I'm Susan. Today I am making championship chocolate chip cookie bars. It sounds good and I hope you'll like it. So I hope everybody's doing great today. And without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of cold butter, 2 cups of dark or semi-sweet chocolate chips divided, and I have a little bit of both, so that's what I'm using, a can of sweetened condensed milk, a slightly beaten egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of nuts. I'm using pecans. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to stir together your flour or brown sugar in a medium bowl, and then cut in your cold butter until it's crumbly. Now, I was supposed to stir in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, but I completely forgot. And then after that, you're supposed to press the mixture on the bottom of an ungreased 9 by 13 inch baking pan and bake for 15 minutes. And I'm just kind of moving that around. My hands are clean, just to kind of get where the butter, or make sure the butter melts where it needs to melt. And once I realized that I didn't add my chocolate chips, I'll pull it back out and just add them over the top and kind of press it back in. And that's what I'm doing here. And the total time for this crust to bake is about 15 minutes. Now set aside my crust while I make my filling. You want to combine your sweetened condensed milk, egg, and vanilla in a large bowl. And I'm just using the same bowl that I made my crust in. Now you want to add in your remaining 1½ cups of chocolate chips and your nuts and spread it evenly over the hot baked crust. Now you'll want to bake it for about 25 minutes or until it's golden. And here it is. It was really good. It was a winner with my family. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and give this a try. It was full of chocolate. It was very rich. And nuts just set it off. So y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. And until next time, bye y'all.